Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we will see how you can create a display ad campaign inside of Google Ads. Display ads show up on the different website of Google plus the YouTube. Under the video you see small banners, those are display ads, and you might have noticed like while reading blog posts you see different type of image ads appear in the form of banners. Those are the display ads. So without any further delay, let's jump to the computer screen and see how we can create a display ad campaign. Now I'm on my computer screen and this is the new Google Ads dashboard. So let's go here and create a new campaign. And what you need to do is to create campaign without goal and guidance, and select the display campaign and then hit continue and then put your website here. And now I'm just going to give it a name. Now here you have to select the location. Let's say I'm selecting running ads in USA. I will target US plus Canada. And in the location option, you need to select the second option if you want to strictly target the people who are in that location, let's say Canada and United States. In the language section you can select whatever language you want to target, so I'm targeting English, so it's already selected. And now let's go to other options like ad rotation, etc. You can set it to if you want to show your best performing ad, you can select this one, or if you want to show your ads evenly like all of your ads so that you can gather some data, you can select this second option. And now here on the other setting you can select devices, you can schedule it on a day, you can set the start and end dates, but for this video I will not do any of that. And you can also exclude some content. So let's hit next, and in the daily budget I will select like let's say $20. And then in the bidding section, as we don't have any conversions set up right now in our account, so what I will do, I will just click here, select a bid strategy directly. So I'm going to select like the manual CPC and I will give it 20 cents. We can say 15 cents. And now let's hit next. So here you can see the banner of optimized targeting. So what is optimized targeting? So let me show you what Google say about optimized targeting. So here optimized targeting looks at information like keyword on your landing page or in your creative asset, then find audience that meet your campaign goal. So what it will do, it will just look at our keywords, our landing page plus of the kind of headlines and everything we provided, and based upon that information it show our ad to more relevant people that are more likely to convert. We can select audience segments. As I'm in the marketing side, so my website is based upon the Google Ad services, the audience in advertising and marketing services, Google advertising, SEO, SEM, etc. So you can also do that pay-per-click management services. So now let's jump to the next section, which is demographics. You can add whatever demographics you want. Let's say you want to exclude people of 65 plus age or 55 to 65. You can exclude that. You can also exclude some lower income groups if you want, like lower than 15, etc. You can also do that, whatever you want. Now in the next section you can also add keywords. So based upon my website, they might give us the keyword, but let me add self. You can do some research and add some keywords. And now here in the next section, you can also add topics. So it will show your ads on the websites that are related to the like the topics that you have selected. So let's say I offer Google Ad services for businesses. So I'm going to select business and industrial, and in this there are also the subtopics that you can add like advertising and marketing, etc. And now let's see the placements. So what are placement? You can basically select like the specific website on which you want to show your ads, like the specific YouTube channel, etc. And now I'm going to hit next. And now we are in the ad creation process. So there are two type of display ads: standard display ad plus the responsive display ad. At the moment we are in the process of creating a responsive display ad. So here is my website, here is the name of the website, and now let's add other things like the images. So I'm just going to select some random images that it is showing to us. So just for the demonstration of this video, so I added some images. Let's add a logo. Let me add it and cancel this. Now you can also add the video if you want. So let me add some headlines that they are suggesting us for this video. So I have added some of them. Now they have already selected a long headline based upon my website's content, and now they are also suggesting some description. So I'm going to select from these. So I just have selected these, and now here you can see the ad preview. You can see this is how ad will look on different pages of the websites and the different formats you can see. And we can also see it on YouTube and Gmail. This is how it will look on Gmail. Now let's scroll down and see what are the other options that we have. Get additional format. So you get these three options like asset enhancement, auto generated videos, and use native formats. So let me show you what these options are. So first let's see what are asset enhancement. So you can see here there's a lot of white space around the logo, and what it will do, Google will just crop in to see the main area. So as in this example, you see there's a lot of space. So it just cropped your image to show the main area, added a headline in a nice way, and added a logo on top. So it's actually very good. So in this example you can see there's a lot of space, so it just zoomed in the image and added some logo, some lines to give it a nice look. So I will add a link in my description to this Google's page, and you can see what these are. So now it's time to see what are auto generated videos. So it will not be like some AI robot talking about your product, but instead it will be like a slideshow of your images that you have given to the Google and your logos on top or something like that. So it will just like a mix of images that you have provided to the Google. Native ads take on format or tone of the website they shown on with the goal of seamless user experience. So now you know what is native ads. So you can also turn all these options on, and now here you can select a call to action if you want, and you can also select the specific action if you have, or you can set it to automatic. I will select it to contact us. And now we are basically done with the ad creation. Now let's hit create ad, and now our ad is created. Now let me show you one more thing, which is standard display ad, in which we upload our ad to the Google. So let's say we create upload display ads. So now here we are in the section of creating our own display ads. So for the demonstration of this video, I've created some display ads. So these are some of the ads that I have created. You can see their sizes mentioned above, 300 into 600. I will leave a link to the document containing all the sizes. If you want your ad to look more branded, then you can go for standard display ads, but I would recommend like running both of these ads side by side so that you can compare the data and see which ads are performing well. Here is the Google Ads page on which they give us a list of the display ad sizes, but I would recommend like creating all these ads and all these sizes, because you can see there are a hell lot of sizes. So instead I have just give you a link to this blog, and in which you will see the most popular ad sizes, and basically we also use these ad sizes for all our clients. And you don't need to create the sizes that Google have asked. You can just go for these 5 or 6 sizes that you see here in this blog. Now let me upload all of those ads here. Now here you can see your ads are uploaded, and now I am going to hit next. So now we are done with the campaign creation, and in this tab you see a summary of whatever setting you have selected for all the campaign. And what I need to do is just click on publish campaign. And that's it, our campaign is published now. That's it for today. I hope you have just learned something from this video. If you have any queries in mind, you can just write them in the comments and I will reply to everybody. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. And if you are a business owner and want to grow your business with Google Ads, do reach out to me by visiting my website. I will mention in my video, or you can find the link in the description. And that's it for today, and thank you so much for watching the video.